Okay. Good evening, students. Now I will explain given worksheet. Okay. In the first one, a boy of mass 55 kg runs up a flight of 40 stairs, each measuring equal to 0.15 meters in 15 seconds. Calculate the first one, force acting on the body, work done by the body, and gain of potential energy, power in kilowatt and horsepower. Okay, listen. So we'll write first of all, mass is given. Mass equal to 55 kg. Here height equal to my total 40 stairs, each one equal to 0.15. So here height equal to 40 into 0.15 meters. Okay, 0.15 meters. That is how much here? 6 meters. That is equal to 6 meters height. Next one, G equal to here 10 meter per second square. First one, in that first one, force equal to here. Force equal to mg, mass into acceleration into gravity. That equal to mass 55 into 10. That equal to 550 newtons. That first one is force equal to 550 newtons. Okay. Next one, work done by the boy. Work done by the boy. Second one, work done equal to here mgh. M equal to here 55 kg, G equal to 10 and the height equal to 6. Height equal to 6. Now this total value 330 3300 joules. It is second one. Next one, potential energy. So here third one, potential energy P equal to mgh. Potential energy P equal to mgh. So here mass equal to 55 into 10 into height 6 meters. That equal to 3300 joules. So here potential energy work done over equal. Next one, fourth one, find power. Power equal to here work done by time. Here time is given t equal to 15 seconds. T equal to here 15 seconds. So work done equal to 3300 joules by 15 seconds. 15 seconds. That equal to 220 watts. That equal to 220 watts. It is the power value. Power equal to 220 watts. Now power in horsepower. Here 1 horsepower equal to 750 watts. Here HP is given from the data. HP equal to 750 watts. So here 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 horsepower. Okay. From this, so we got power equal to how much? 220 watts. One HP equal to 750 watts. So 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 horsepower. So in the place of bar, we can write 1 by 750. Therefore power equal to 220 into 1 by 750 horsepower. 1 by 750 horsepower. That equal to 0.29 HP. It is HP value. Next one, find the power in kilowatt. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. Therefore power equal to 220 watts. Therefore 220 by 1000 watts. 1000 0.22 kilowatts. It is the first one. Okay. Come on. Second one. Second one also same model. A girl of mass equal to 50 kg. Mass equal to 50 kg. How many says here? 100. So height equal to 100 into each one equal to 0.25 meters. That equal to 25 meters. Height equal to 25 meters. And the time is given t equal to 20 seconds. T equal to 20 seconds. Then find the force acting on it. First one, force equal to mg. Mass equal to 50 into 10. Here g equal to 10 meter per second square. So force equal to 500 newtons. Force equal to 500 newtons. It is force value. Force equal to 500 newtons. Work done by the girl. Work done by the girl equal to mgh. Second one, mgh. Here m equal to 50 into g10 into height 25 meters. 25 meters. That equal to joules. 12500 joules. Okay. Next up, potential energy. C value P equal to mgh. Potential energy equal to mgh. So here m equal to 50, g equal to 10 into height equal to 25. That equal to 12500 joules. So potential energy equal to 125 joules. 12500 joules. Next one, power. So fourth one, power equal to work done by time. Power equal to work done by time. So here work done equal to 125 by time. Time is given, that equal to 20 seconds. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1 here, 2 6, 2 25. So power equal to here 625 watts. Power equal to 625 watts. Okay. Next, find the power in horsepower. So when horsepower equal to is given, that equal to 750 watts. Therefore 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 horsepower. So power equal to 625 into 1 by 750 horsepower. 1 by, that equal to 0.83. So your power equal to 0.83 horsepower. Power equal to 0.83 horsepower. It is a second one. Okay. Next, third one. Okay, ma. Third one. A load of 220 kg vertically pulled up by a crane to a vertical height of 16 meters in 40 seconds. Then calculate the force acting on the upward direction, total work done, and horsepower of the engine pulling up the rope. What are the given values? Mass is given. Mass equal to 220 kg. Next one, height is given 16 meters and T equal to 40 seconds. T equal to 40 seconds. So here G is given. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Now first one, force equal to here mg. Force equal to mg. M equal to here 220 into 9.8. 220 into 9.8, that equal to 2156 newtons. 2156 newtons. It is a force value. Okay. Next one, work done. Work done equal to, second one, work done equal to mgh. M equal to here 220 into 9.8 into h, that equal to 16 meters. 16 meters, that equal to 34,496. 96 joules. It is a work done. Work done equal to 34,496 joules. Next one, find the horsepower. 1 HP is given here, that equal to 746 watts. Okay. Now here power equal to work done by time. Work done equal to here 3496 by time. time equal to here 40 seconds. Time equal to 40 seconds. Time equal to 40 seconds. Now power equal to, it is watts. Okay, now 3496 by 40 into 1 by 750 horsepower. 1 by 750 horsepower, that equal to 1.15. So it is 1.15 HP. It is power value. It is the power value. Power equal to here 1.15 horsepower. Okay, next one. Okay, ma'am. Next. A workout 1000 joules is done on a body in 4 seconds such that displacement of 20 meters is caused. Then find the force and power. Force and power. So your work done is given, that equal to 1000 joules. Next time is given 4 seconds and S is given 20 meters. Then calculate the force. So your work done equal to F into S. So your work done equal to how much here? 1000 joules is equal to force into displacement. Displacement equal to here 20. So from this, force equal to 1000 by 20. 1000 by 20. So 0 0 cancel once here. 250. So force equal to 50 newtons. Force equal to 50 newtons. Then find the power. So power equal to work done by time. Power equal to work done by time. So work done equal to here 1000 joules by time. Time equal to here 4. Okay. 2 2's here, 2 500. 2 1's here, 250. So power equal to 250 watt. Power equal to here 250 watt. Power equal to 250 watt. Next one. What force must be applied to a body to a distance of 10 meters such that it work done of 4000 joules if the mass of the body is 20 kg? What is the acceleration of the body? What is the acceleration of the body? What is force must be? Okay, listen amma. Fifth one, here S is given, that equal to 10 meters and work done is given, that equal to 4000 joules. So from this we can find force value. Force equal to how much? Okay, so here work done equal to F into S. So from this we can write force equal to work done by S. Work done by S. So force equal to work done 4000 by 10. 0 0 get cancel. Force equal to here 400 newtons. Force equal to 400 newtons. Next, body of mass is given. Body of mass equal to 20 kg. Then find the acceleration. So acceleration equal to how much? So we know that the product of mass and acceleration is called force. Force equal to m into a. Force means the product of mass and acceleration is called force. So force equal to m into a. From this force equal to we got 400 newtons. So here 400 newtons is equal to mass into acceleration. So here mass equal to 20 kg into a. Therefore a equal to 400 by 20. So here 0 we cancel to once here to 20. So acceleration equal to 20 meter per second square. 20 meter per second square. Listen once again. S is given, work done is given, find the force. So work done means the product of force and displacement or distance. The product of force and displacement is called work done. So force into S equal to work done. Work done is given, that equal to 4000 joules. Okay. So from this force equal to work done by displacement 4000 by 10. Here 0 will cancel 400 newtons. So force equal to 400 newtons. At the same time mass is given, then find the A value. So force equal to m into m. Force equal to m into a. So we can write A equal to force by mass. A equal to force by mass. That means here force equal to 400 by mass 20 kg. So 0 cancel 40 by 2. That equal to 20 meter per second square. So acceleration of the body equal to how much here? 20 meter per second square. Next, sixth one. An engine of power equal to 200 watts. Operate for 4 seconds. Find the work done by the engine. The force is developed by the engine equal to 100 newtons. Calculate the maximum displacement. Calculate the maximum displacement. First of all, we need to find the work done. So a power P is given 200 watts and T is given 4 seconds and the force is given, force equal to 100 newtons. 100 newtons. Okay. Power equal to work done by time. Work done by time. But here work done equal to work done means here F into S by T. Because of work done equal to the product of force and displacement. The place of work done we can write F into S. So F into S by T equal to power. So from this we can measure S value. So here power equal to 200 watts is equal to force 100 into S by T4. Okay. For 1 to 2 here 250, 1 here 25. Okay. So here 200 equal to 25 into S. So here S equal to 200 by 25. 5 table 5 here 540, 1 here 8. So S equal to 8 meters. So displacement equal to 8 meters. Now from this you can measure work done value. So work done equal to F into S. The product of force and displacement equal to work done. So force equal to 100 newtons and S equal to 8 meters. So 100 newtons into 8 meters. That equal to 800 Newton meter or 800 joules. So work done equal to 800 joules. Work done equal to 800 joules. Okay. Okay, seventh one. Calculate the horsepower of engine which lifts 4000 meter cube of water from the depth of 50 meters in 40 minutes. So G equal to 10 meter per second square. Density of the water equal to, we know that, and equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. And horsepower equal to here 750 watts. So here what are the given values? Mass is given. Or aim is to find the, here what are the given values? Density of the water is given, that equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, and the volume is given, V equal to how much here? 4000 meter cube, and G equal to 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. From this we can measure mass of the water value. So M equal to here, we know that density equal to mass per unit volume. So M by weight. So from this M equal to here, density into volume. Density into volume. V equal to here 1000 into 4000. So that equal to 4 into 10 power 6 kg. It is the M value. M equal to here 4 into 10 power 6 kg. 4 into 10 power 6 kg. Now work done means nothing but here potential energy. So here work done equal to mgh. Work done equal to mgh. Here height is given, that equal to how much? 50 meters. Height equal to 50 meters. M equal to 4 into 10 power 6 kg into G. 10 into height equal to here 50 meters. So here 4 into 10 power 6 into 10 into 50 that equal to 500. So 500 into 4, 2000. So 2000 into 10 power 6 joules. We can write 2 into 10 power 9 joules. It is a work done. So work done equal to here 2 into 10 power 9 joules. Okay. Now power equal to work done by time. Now our aim is to find power equal to work done by time. Work done equal to here 2 into 10 power 9 by time equal to here 40 minutes. 40 minutes change into hours. T here T equal to 40 minutes change into seconds. So 40 into 60, that equal to 2400 seconds. Okay. So here 2400 seconds. Therefore power equal to here, how many zeros you cancel? 2 zeros you cancel. That equal to 2 into 10 power 7 by 24. 2 into 10 power 2 into 10 power 7 by 24 watts. Or we can write to once here 2 12. So power equal to 1 into 10 power 7 by 12 watts. Now the value is converted into horsepower. So here horsepower equal to how much here? 1 HP is given, that equal to 750 watts. 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 HP. Okay. So here power equal to 1 into 10 power 7 by 12 into 1 by 750 horsepower. 1 by 750 horsepower, that equal to how much here? 1111.1, that equal to 1 equal to here 1 over 1.1 HP. It is the horsepower value. Okay, ma? Okay. Next one. Okay, thank you.